M. Karthik Kumar Reddy, working as an assistant professor in Nalla Narasimha Reddy Education Society's group of institutions in the Department of Civil Engineering in Foundation Engineering subject in Unit 2 Slope Stability. Using the Bishop's method of slices, determine the factor of safety in terms of effective stress for the slope detailed in figure for the specified failure surface. The value of Ru is 0.20 and the unit weight of the soil is 20 kN per meter cube, and the shear strength parameters are C dash equal to 0 kN per meter square and phi dash equal to 33 degrees. This is by using the Bishop's method of slices. We need to determine the factor of safety in terms of effective stress for the slope detailed in the figure, which we are going to see that in the next slide. The value of Ru, which is actually the ratio of U by gamma H, is given as 0.2 and the unit weight of the soil is 20 kN per meter cube, and the shear strength parameters C is equal to 0 kN per meter square and phi dash is equal to 33 degrees. So this is the slope cross section which is shown, and this is at the center of rotation, and the factor of safety is the slope inclination is 1 vertical to 2 horizontal, and vertical height is 17.5 meters. If 17.5 means this is the horizontal distance will be around 35 meters, and this is the failure surface that is assumed. The failure surface is assumed to, and entry is at the crest portion and exit point is at the toe, and this height is 48 meters. Now let us see how this can be solved by using the Bishop's method of slices. The expression is given here, and which we have discussed in this lecture itself, and we divided into the equal width of slices. So these are shown here, and the phi dash is equal to 33 degrees and gamma Ru is equal to 0.2, which is considered. So estimate the weight of the slices. So gamma B into H in terms of H, if you look into this, that is 100 kilonewton per meter, and 1 minus Ru into tan phi dash is estimated as 0.52. And here, as it is being told as the factor of safety in terms, which is actually here on the left hand side, and right hand side you try with initial value which is say 1.1. So tan phi dash by factor of safety is equal to tan 33 by 1.1, which is 0.59. So the solution for the example 4 works out be slice number, which is 8 number of slices, and the heights, the center of the slices are given here, and weights which are actually given in terms of gamma BH. Similarly, we calculate what is alpha and compute W sin alpha, then compute W into 1 minus Ru tan phi dash. So with that we can actually get this particular term, and then compute secant alpha divided by 1 plus tan alpha into tan phi dash by factor of safety, and the product which of these is given as this column, and this column is given as, and the summation will be 1271. So this is divided by W sin alpha. This particularly is 1185, because in the previous slide, if you look into this, we are actually estimating this, and this is the one column we estimated this particular term, and in another column we estimated this term. So if you look into this table, the product is the particular term, the product of this column and the product of the column yielding the summation of 127 is divided by the summation of W sin alpha is yielding as 1185. So with that, the factor of safety is computed as 1.07. So the trial value which will be assumed is 1.1. So the factor of safety is 1.07 or 1.08. So this indicates that the slope is for the type of soil parameters which are actually considered. The slope configuration is just stable. In this sense, the fluctuation in the RU, there can be slope can actually increase RU. There will be the possibility the slope will undergo failure.